Morning.
Good morning.
How was your sleep?
I slept really well. Like, I think we slept for lots of hours.
Yeah, I'm not really sure what day it is.
It's Saturday and it's almost 8.
It's nice.
We went to sleep at like 9. So that's exciting.
Sweet, what are you doing over here?
Well, I'm making coffee. So this is our jet boil, which in every YouTube video we watched says that's what you should get when you go backpacking. So we did a couple years ago, and it's great. It's super light, it's really easy, and it heats up your water really fast. We have another one that's like just for super light backpacking, but it takes a lot longer to heat up the water, so I think this is worth it. I think my water's boiling already. And especially for the two of us, so we love it. And then I'm making coffee. So I have this thing called Cool Coffee, and it comes in these little packets like this. It's delicious. It's way better than making instant coffee because it's actually like French press. Well, not like French press, but it's
Like pour over?
Yeah, pour over, thank you. And you just pop it out like this. It hooks onto your cup, and then you pour your water over it. It's amazing. So that's what I'm gonna have. It's gonna take me a minute to get this off because it's hot.
Nice.
Yeah, it takes a minute to finish it, but it's so much better. I used to do Starbucks Instant, and with all due respect to Starbucks that I love, this is better.